lot of people do assume that or think that audio schools are expensive, but with Recording Connection, it's actually very feasible. And we work with all sorts of people from all walks of life. The demographic ranges from people in their 60s, people who are 16. Different financial situations, different career situations, people who've been laid off, people who are working full time. We're able to really have a conversation, really engage, develop a relationship with each applicant first. We're able to hook them up with somebody who literally lives in their backyard. Their mentor could be somebody who they didn't realize lives down the street from them. A lot of our applicants are surprised when we tell them who their mentor is. A lot of people, they come in and they're like, oh, that's like right down the street from me. And it's, it could be on the other side of town. The main thing is we always are able to put our applicants into situations where they're able to learn one-on-one, hands-on, in the city where they live, or at least 30 minutes from where they live, no further than about an hour.